He's trying my finger, Mommy.
Talk to him.
Talk to him.
Talk to him. How you talk to him?
Do the nice talk.
Say good. Say good morning.
Oh, he likes it. Talk to him. Keep talking.
Is it, Mommy?
Keep talking.
Tell him.
Hey, take a picture.
Tell him all the things you're going to teach him when he grows up.
Once I get bigger.
Tell him.
No, I go to, when I get bigger, I'll go to the computer.
Okay.
Okay, tell baby.
Talk to the baby. Say
Tell
good
Alex.
morning, baby.
No. I just want to.
Do baby talk. Yeah.
Did it. Yay.
Now, how do you scare the baby?
Mm-mm.
Do a scary talk. You sound like a monster.
Ow.
Tell the baby that he's your tutti frutti.
Hey, you're my tutti.
Yeah, what do we
No,
call it?
say it.
Hey, you're my tutti frutti.
No, but tell him in your baby voice.
You're my baby boy.
No, your baby voice. Tell him in your baby voice.
But I can't get
Like
out.
this, look. Say, you're my tutti frutti.
What?
Tell him, say, you're my tutti frutti.
You're a tutti frutti. I can't get out.
Uh-oh.
Oh, baby's got the hiccups.
Steve,
Say Steve.
Steve, Dave, Steve, Dave.
Say Sucky Steve.
Second teacher. When I get bigger, I will go to second teacher.
Don't fall. You're going to fall off the couch.
No, I'm not. I got them. I'm not.
Oh. Oh, buddy.
That's Frank.
He got
That's